This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by kthomas. Dreamy Bridge Creek 4/3/3 home built in 2018. This floor plan is ideal for entertaining west/open living, kitchen, and dining area. The kitchen features crisp white cabinets, center island west/granite and pantry. The luxurious isolated master features a retreat-style bath and big walk-in closet. Beds 2 and 3 share a pass-through bath with double sinks, plus there is an isolated guest suite. The study is perfect for your home office needs. Spacious backyard west/covered patio and extended concrete. Just in time for summer fun. For more information, review the details below or contact kthomas at 940-692-8120.